Last year, with the aim of boosting tourism,
Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance Kalarai ban Pyndam no ika Khalai ke Meghalaya Regulation Gaming Act arjar arpuai. Iaka ni lapan benadu menteri ketenat taxation ke jelau James PK Sangma mentakasngi. Laban kedau baka kinhon beper ke jelak la persat juri ke jingwan rak Sorkar Iaka ni ban play ke jeka Khalai kum ke kasino. Ka kinhon kinong ilam balang ka kasi jantia Church Leaders Forum la penlong ke Jingduwai ketika tayau baladap ban penbori ke Sorkar ban Pyndam no ika ni
regards to the scope and the impact of the Act. I met with stakeholders. Dear friends, last year, with the aim of boosting tourism, revenue generation, and employment for the people of our state, the Department of Taxation, Government of Meghalaya, introduced the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021 under my guidance. This act would legalize and regulate gaming in Meghalaya. Till that extent, introducing casinos meant for tourists only was considered as well. Over the months that followed, there were concerns expressed from parts of the society with regards to the scope and the impact of the Act. I met with stakeholders that included religious organizations, non-governmental organizations, civil society representations, Dorbashnongs, autonomous and local governance bodies, and youth organizations. During this process, I tried to understand the concerns of the public and the impact that the Act could have further on. Following such meetings and deliberations, it became clear to me that it is in the best interest of our state to completely scrap the Act, given that there could be untoward implications. Therefore, it will be my earnest endeavor to see that the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021 will be repealed. I would like to thank everyone who came forward to aid, advise, and provide feedback to the government on the Act. The citizenry are the keystone of any democracy, and it only strengthens our commitment to better governance when the collective conscience is addressed. Thank you once again. Kublai Shibun, Matela, Jai Hind.